2 drivers are now dead, and at least 15 students injured in St. James accident.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
2 drivers reportedly died as a result of injuries they sustained during a crash involving 3 motor vehicles along the Flanker Main Road in St. James this afternoon. 15 students were also said to be injured in the crash. Reports are that about 4 p.m., a Toyota Corolla motorcar was traveling along the road towards Montego Bay when, upon reaching a section of the roadway, the driver reportedly lost control of the vehicle and ran across the median to the other side and slammed into a Nissan Caravan, which was transporting approximately 15 students. A Nissan AD wagon, which was traveling behind the Nissan Caravan, then rammed into the back of the vehicle. The AD wagon had 5 students on board. The children and the drivers of the Toyota Corolla and the Nissan Caravan were taken to hospital where the drivers were pronounced dead.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.